How to get IPTV on smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Android. In this video, I'll show you how to get IPTV on smart TVs like Samsung, LG, and Android TV. Smart TVs are perfect for IPTV because they connect directly to the internet and support IPTV apps. No cable box or satellite needed. What you need. Before you start, you'll need three things. First, an active IPTV subscription to access live channels, movies, and on-demand shows. Second, a stable internet connection, at least 25 megabits per second for smooth HD streaming. And third, a compatible smart TV running Samsung Tizen, LG Web OS, or Android/Google TV. Install IPTV on Samsung and LG TVs. Turn on your TV and connect it to the internet. Open the Samsung apps or LG Content Store. Search for an IPTV app and install it. Choose your login method like M3U Link or Xtreme codes. Enter your subscription details and let the channels load. Install IPTV on Android/Google. Open the Google Play Store. Search for an IPTV app and install it. Launch the app. Log in using your IPTV details. Wait for the content to load, and you're ready to stream. IPTV apps and service. IPTV apps act as media players that load your channels and playlists. For a reliable experience, using a trusted service like NetGo TV helps ensure stable streams, clear quality, and easy setup across smart TVs. And that's it. Setting up IPTV on Samsung, LG, or Android TV is quick and beginner-friendly. With the right app and a solid IPTV service like NetGo TV, you can enjoy live TV and on-demand entertainment right on your smart TV. Visit our website today and start a free 3-day trial.